Hi, my name's Ross Roberts. I'm a senior lecturer in sport and exercise psychology in the School of Sport Health and Exercise Sciences at Bangor. I've been learning Welsh for the past 7 or 8 years now, and I started mainly because I have 2 kids who go to school in Welsh language first school who are fluent Welsh speakers, and I wanted to be able to help them with their work and also be able to support them through the school activities, and also wanting to be able to speak Welsh in the community with teachers, with other people where we live. And then as I've developed, the benefit is I can start using it in the workplace a bit more with students, with other colleagues as well. I learned basically through the university scheme with weekly lessons, which have continued to now, and then I also have extra sessions that are informal chats with Welsh staff. In terms of practical advice, just get stuck in and have a go. You're going to make mistakes, and failure is all part of the learning process. Do it, have a go. If you don't know the words, don't worry about it. Try and find something that sounds nearby, or slip the English version in. It's also really useful to find some people that you can have a conversation with. People that you know well enough but don't know really well. It's much easier to have conversations in Welsh. I find particularly that either young kids are great to have a conversation with, or older people in the community. Those two sorts of people seem to be great. And also in various sports and leisure centres around the area, they're also good places just to have a go, and people are really happy to respond back. In terms of how I use Welsh at work, in a few ways really. I try and use it with, I've now got Welsh speaking personal tutees, so when I meet them I at least try and start the conversation in Welsh and use Welsh for as long as possible within the conversation. If we're talking about difficult issues and I need to switch to English, then I will. I've also been able to mark student presentations over the past couple of years in Welsh, and so we can give students the opportunity to present their work in their first language if they would prefer, and then we can mark them. And then I also use it to speak with Welsh speaking colleagues and also while supporting students during lectures. I'd like to be able to do a lecture in Welsh, but I think I'm probably a year or 2 off that.